In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom interactions with JavaScript in Webflow. We'll be covering the steps to get you set up and ready to integrate your own JavaScript code effectively into your Webflow projects. Let's dive right in. To start, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Webflow's website. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, it's simply webflow.com. It's a powerful visual website builder that lets you design professional websites without the need for complex coding. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that to access your Webflow account. If you're not yet logged in, this will prompt you to enter your credentials, so make sure you have those handy. After logging in, you'll be taken straight to the Webflow dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub, a starting point where you can view all your projects, manage your workspace, and even peek at some of the latest design inspirations. From here, find the project you'd like to work on. Simply click on the project thumbnail or title to open it up. Once inside your chosen project, you'll spot a navigation bar on the top left of your screen. Here, you'll want to click on Pages. This menu option allows you to navigate through the various pages within your project. It's especially handy if you have a multi-page site to manage. Next, find the Settings tab, located right next to Pages. Clicking on Settings will bring you into a menu where you can adjust all sorts of details for your project, whether that be visibility settings, page titles, or linking up assets. But what we're really interested in today is integrating custom code. So, the important menu you'll need to visit is Custom Code. This can be found within the Settings tab we've just accessed. By clicking on Custom Code, you'll open a window that allows you to enter your JavaScript code. This space is where you can inject custom scripts, providing enhanced interactivity and dynamic features to your web project. Whether you're looking to add advanced animations, connect APIs, or even track user behavior with analytics, this section is the gateway. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Webflow to the point where you can add custom JavaScript to your project. By following these steps, you've set a solid foundation for creating highly interactive web designs and adding that unique personal touch to your site. Remember, the possibilities with custom code are vast, so have fun experimenting and bringing your creative ideas to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.